right, y'all. Back at that. All right, y'all. Still on the matter. Your street yarns on Wazobia TV. Well, if you just tune in, my name is MC Shaggy. Street yarns. I won't go call her for my scene before because I one of my program for my scene, but not be that one. Street yarns, not be the name of the show. Right now, out there for I don't even know the area when I did, but I know that the job carry me. Now, is it what it?
Onikpan.
Onikpan. I did for Onikpan. Right away. Now, one simple question I want to ask: Papa and Mama, your mother or your father? Your mother or your father? Who you like pass? Your mother or your father? Who you like pass? For your family?
I like my mother past my father.
Why?
Because it's my mother that born me and it's my mother that gave, that feed me from
my brother, as you do like this, because this is your English now, you don't invest me. Just speak pidgin English. Now pidgin English. I made a call on Wazobia TV. So just speak pidgin.
I like my mother past my father.
Why?
Because it's my mother that gave birth to me. And from the time that I be kids.
You be small picking.
I be small picking. She dey take care of me till I grow. I start my primary school. She dey take care of me. She dey give me bed. She dey give me food up to then till now.
Okay. Your father not there with you?
My father dey with me.
Why not they take care of you?
My mother, you dey take care of me, but my mother dey take care of me past my father.
All right, still on the street chance, I tell you. That guy say, my mama now they take care of her pass. My brother, good afternoon. Wazobia TV.
I'm not on TV.
I'm telling you, this is Wazobia TV.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yeah, bro, sir. Now, your mother and your father, they see their life now, be?
They did.
Who you like pass?
Okay, my father know they are alive. My mother only 9 days.
Okay, apart when they are alive, who you like pass?
I like them equally.
You like them equally? You sure? You sure?
I like them equally.
Allah, you want to see, not be like you like your pa. Bros, how far out of you?
For your man, talk true. Which one you like pass?
Me, I like my man, because my man take of me well. My man don't use me joke at all. My man breastfeed me, do everything for me. Make sure say yes, he take, as I wake up in the morning, I don't bath, I don't chop. But my man, I get what they do. It's a bit cook me well, I not like him for that thing.
Yeah, that's good for your upbringing now.
Yes, now. So which one you like?
No, just like you now.
Why you like your man?
She's everything now.
You sure?
I tell you.
You sure?
I'm not in that. She's there. Okay. She's always there for me. No.
All right, she's always there for you. That be your first love, Abi. Alaka. All right, still on the street, yarns on Wazobia TV. Make it not touch you that. Like this, bros, eh?
I'm
No, all of us, they in his together. Yeah. We his together. Your pa, your mom, which one like pass? Your father, your mother, which one like pass?
I like my mother now.
Why?
Because it's my mother.
You sure?
Yes, now.
Your mother, but you supposed to like your papa some now.
I like my daddy too, but it's my mother first.
Yes,
your
mother they take care of you well.
Yeah, no.
Your man they tear you cock. No, they flog you.
Yeah, my mom
You sure?
flog me.
You sure? All right, still on the street chance on Wazobia TV. All right, how far are you there? How far are you there? How far are you there? All of them are deaf and dumb here. They don't like talk. Bros, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. You are busy and you are trekking.
I can't answer you now.
You are busy and you are trekking.
Yes. Yes.
Let's stand you answer me now. All right, Wazobia TV. Your father still alive?
My father still alive.
Your mother, uncle?
He don't pafuka.
Okay, don't pafuka. All right, see what I know say don't tell when you pafuka.
Yes.
All right, then when they alive, your man, your father, which one you like pass?
I like both of them.
Both of them. Who don't really take care of you well?
My mother they take care of me. My daddy they give me money go
school. Give you money go school. And the money they important.
They are, both of them are working.
Okay, both of them are working.
Yeah, doing their work.
Okay.
As parents.
As parents.
Yes.
But you don't born.
I don't born now.
For you and your wife, which one your children like us?
My children like me now.
You sure?
I be
You
father.
want to see your children, bless your children don't like you.
They like me well.
You're lying.
I'm telling you the truth. I'm serious.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
All right, yeah.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. Thank you very much. Still on the straight hands, huh? Good afternoon. Wazobia TV. All right, these are the crises we face on the road when we are walking on the streets. These are the crises we face. We face a lot of crises like rejection, pushing, tell you anyhow, talk to you anyhow. Ross Alpha area. Back there, confirmato. Like say, not your eye, you there on your eye level.
I swear.
As you dey now, you get your man, your pa.
Yeah,
They dey alive.
na so na.
Which one you like pass?
For
Your mama, your pa, who you like pass?
and my mama
Your
oh.
mama dey, why now?
I know say Malena number one.
Malela number one.
I swear.
You sure?
I swear.
Why now? But papa dey try now.
Who does Papa dey try? I always say Papa don high. Opeke here and here. Why now? Malena one love.
One love, abi.
One love, I
The other
swear.
day, make sure say the pikin dey gallant, abi.
I swear, Papa no eat, Mama no eat, I no be eat oh. I
Eh?
no eat, Mama no eat.
Eh?
Na so it be now.
Still on the matter, you don't hear am. Wetin be your name?
Laja AK1, Jerry 1, I know.
Laja AK1, AK Jerry 1. I
Yeah,
see
yeah,
you.
yeah.
All right, still on the straight hands. Make it there. Well, everybody gets your own attitude. Everybody gets your own way of doing things. You know, I don't see Male or Pale. Everybody. My man that time, my man beat me, sha. My man beat me, oh. My man flogged me, hello. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Your mother and your father, who you like pass?
Two of them.
Two of them. You sure?
Yes.
They take care of you, well? You sure? What of you?
My mom.
Your mom.
Yeah.
Your mom, they take care of you, well?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Why you like your mom?
Because she's special.
Because she's special.
Yeah.
Your pa not special. Your pa dey fail, abi. Your pa dey fail, abi.
No.
Okay. Aboki, you like your pa or your mama?
You like you.
Eh?
You like you.
Oh my God. See, they don't render this chicken, they're useless. Now this chicken, they are rest in peace. Live chicken, and they looks like this. Check her out. Your daddy and your mommy, which one you like first?
My mom.
Eh?
My mom.
The way you carry this your pikin, eh?
Yes.
Boy, see, why? Why be say small children, any small thing they see, they go want suck am? Ah?
You look like Philip. What's it?
I be like everything be like in the bottom of their mouth. All right, so your mama take care of you well.
Yes.
Yeah. But you don't like your daddy, this your man.
I like my dad now. They can't be like that.
Okay. Oga come. Good afternoon. I believe you hear what I talk now.
I hear.
Who you like pass?
I like my momsy,
Yeah.
past my popsy,
Why now?
because she take good care of me when I was growing up.
Okay.
Yeah.
I should take care of you.
Exactly. I really do. She's now late,
Okay.
but I will forever remember her.
They are so rest in peace.
Yeah. Amen.
All right, but you take your you don't marry, Nabi.
I don't marry.
You and your children, and who they like pass? Your wife or your?
Now me didn't like pass.
You sure?
Serious.
Okay, you don't lie for this one.
Now girls now.
Not girls. Okay, now girls. They like the father well. You sure?
My babes.
Na, confirm babes.
My beautiful girls.
Your beautiful girls.
Beautiful ones.
Hope your eye not they shook.
No.
Because what you do to
I
people's
get
children,
I get
they go do unto your
I get
children.
lion.
Why I say? How far now? How you did now? What you be your name?
My name is Busayo.
Busayo. I go answer Busayo. You supposed fat now. Best way be Busayo supposed fat.
No, I mean,
Busayo is fat people.
no.
Well, like you now, it's supposed to be fat.
Me, I be like
Because
girl.
it's supposed to be Tina.
Me, I know Tina. I
Supposed
know
to be
the
Tina.
Friday number.
Or Titilayo. Or Titilayo.
They are all fat.
All right, you're still on the matter. Your man, your father, which one you like pass?
Na my mama now.
Why you go like your mama?
My mama.
You say what to your hand?
I like my father and he's late.
Hey, yeah. May his soul rest in peace. Oh, wow. But your father take care of you when he
Hey, wow.
Why you like your father?
Because he's very caring, very caring. My father is very caring.
How many girls na born?
We are six.
6 girls.
Yes.
No wonder your partner like pass. Any family where they born 6, 7, 10 girls. Now so the girls that they like their father well. Not be true. Once no boy, then the father they take care of them well. But what of you?
Both.
Both. How can you like both? Both now for speedboat too.
Both of them.
You like both of them?
Yes.
Still on the matter. Why you like both of them?
They are caring.
They are caring.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, still on the matter. Come on, why you like your mom?
And a sweet mother now. My mother not the face now.
Yeah, come here.
I have a mother, but unfortunately, I was with nannies.
Okay.
She's
Big
bigger than the most very woman on top of the planet of Earth, calling Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth will crash under some minutes in the plane and cloud, but she's in there with everybody. I want to see them, please.
All right, my brother, if I watch where that guy eye not clear, you know no man. That guy not be clear. They talk that. Sister, how you did?
I did, Jerry.
Why they clean your hair? What did they do your hair?
The hair they scratch me. That is why.
Why if the hair scratch you, why you go carry and tail like this? I don't say this hair don't reach 1 year.
No, it never reached 1 year.
You sure?
I go carry and reach 2 years.
The hair don't reach na pregnancy. If not by now the pikin for don't come out.
You for know if I get belle now.
No, na the hair get belle.
I know, na me go get belle now.
How far now your pa your mouth like pass?
Na my papa.
Your father? Why?
Because my papa they caring now.
Like waiting they do for you.
He like woman too much.
Your pa like woman. Your pa na bad guy.
I want make my papa enjoy.
You know what make you live like saying only your mind they run things.
Yes, so I want make my papa enjoy those corner. Yes.
Those corner there.
Yes.
You're a bad pikin.
My fault now.
Okay, they get your cut.
I said not be my fault now.
Okay, not be your fault. Say they get your cut. I was say you and your party run contract. My guy, why they form like say not the year two they talk?
I don't get time, guys.
Not get time.
A business. I like my papa well because when they do faji well. You know say na faji man means that they do faji well. That's why I like my papa.
All right, yeah. He say papa they do faji well. Say papa they do faji well. He say make sure say that make I like your papa well. They're not gonna keep us for this place. Well, now one of those things. Yeah. How far now?
How about it?
Your pa, your father, which one you like pass? Your mother and your father, which one you like pass?
Now my mama I like
You
pass.
sure?
Yeah.
Why now?
My mama, she be, let me say, she played a major role in taking care of, first of all, from the time I was in her womb, for good 9 months. While I just come there, do wetin one do, come what's name.
As you did like this, most of night they talk say, take care of me right from the womb. Now they see yourself from the womb.
We don't see ourselves, but we know say we dey inside bed.
That's when the first say they get belly. You know how many mothers when they abort your children?
We know they see them, but we just know say we dey inside person womb. And a person carry us.
No wahala, sha. No wahala. All right, still on the straight here on Wazobia TV. My name remains MC Shaggy. Now like this, we take wrap up for today. Back to that. Make it not touch their mama and papa. Which one like pass? Majority win the vote. Mother.
That's so.
Mama, not too much. Family, I hear you. Miller, I hear you. Miller, you too much. Miller, back to that. Yeah, man.